Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. Lately I've just moved in to my brand new place with my girlfriend. I can't wait to show you the next video of MTV Cribs. I was so honored to be on that show. So stay tuned for that one. That'll be airing next week. But for now, I'm giving you a practical video on how to ship a painting. Because you know, you made that sell on Etsy or eBay or wherever you sold it. And you're like, wait, I can't roll it up, it'll wrinkle. And then I'm like, boom, you clicked on the right video, because I'll show you step by step on how to package a painting. All right, guys, let's get to it. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how to ship a painting. Bubble wrap, packing tape, preferably box cutter, but scissors will work. All right, first, we're gonna get this painting that I sold through Etsy. Thank you, Stephanie, for purchasing one of my paintings. Booyah. So you go in here, you wanna give it a little space in between. So potentially like right here. Okay? You just measure it out. Now you could step up this process if you have like a real ruler, but I'm just using my painting. So I'm just doing that. Bubble wrap, I got it straight from the dollar store too. It under like right here, right? And we just want to go over it like that. And we're gonna cut off a piece. Boom. You are wrapped up. And you just tape it over. Just like that. Okay. Time for the scissor pot. Then you just place Mac Miller face right back on it. Just gonna fold it in. So you just place it over like that. Just like that. Ba ba ba. For more reinforcement, I'm just gonna leave this one in the middle. Tape this bad boy up. Alright, and the painting is packaged. Alright guys, and that's how you package a painting. It's a very simple process and I find it very efficient. It only costs about $7.50. My buyer is all the way in Denver. I'm in California, so that's a good price range. And if you guys enjoyed this one, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more future awesome content. Alright guys, later.